This is Major here, and today is the 4th of July. And today I would just like to talk about uh, pumping the overall market. That's my goal. I'm not here to really pump any particular project. I might talk about one or two things individually if something happens, but my interest and my concern is for the overall health of the crypto market. The overall market. You know, as long as I don't, the only reason, so people might say, well, you've been making things that seem kind of anti Ethereum. It's not that I'm anti Ethereum. I want Ethereum to clean up what I see as a potential problem that can cause a systemic risk to the overall market. I don't mind if one particular coin, crashes. If it doesn't take down the overall market, or it doesn't have any kind of systemic ripple impact on the overall market, then you know, that's the free market. You should be able to lose your money. You should, that's why I was kind of against Coinbase, kind of, uh, bailing people out. If it was a legitimate sell and it went all the way down to a penny, you should lose your money. Just like if it went from a penny all the way up to $1,000, you should make your money. So I'm kind of a free market fundamentalist, that we shouldn't be engaged in bailouts and doing things. Now, that's why I made a video. I think there's more to that GDAX situation that Coinbase is not really telling people, because what they did just doesn't make sense to me from a business standpoint. But overall, my channel is regarding the overall health of the cryptocurrency market, because you got to think about it like this. Who are our competitors? I'm a former financial services advisor, trader, that been in the equities market for years, trading stocks, doing research, equity research. That was the thing that I did. And I see weakness in that market. So one of our main competitors is the stock market. So when you're looking at a situation of, should I put my money into cryptocurrencies or should I put my money into the stock market? That's what a new person coming into this market is looking at. How secure is my principal in the stock market? How secure is my principal in the cryptocurrency market? Because that should be number one. Before you think about making money, your first priority is preservation of capital. So upside is great, but you want to first consider, what's the downside? How secure, how stable is this market? Is the market overall, not just that particular asset that you're looking to get involved with. So if you look at the overall markets and you say, well, here's the stock market, and that looks kind of, and you're able to look at a healthy cryptocurrency market, now you say, okay, I'd rather put my money over into this healthy cryptocurrency market than into a stock market that doesn't look as healthy, or vice versa. So we need to really make sure, and that's why I made those other videos, because what I'm concerned with is the overall health, and I don't want this thing to ICOs and Ethereum and all these ICOs to really hurt the overall health of the cryptocurrency market, because now people will not be willing to invest. Listen, I see great upside potential if we have a stable, healthy market. That doesn't mean prices do, uh, doesn't decrease sometimes. Okay, that's fine. But you want to see stability. You want to see that it's not just a thing where it can go to zero tomorrow. And if a lot of these untested, unproven ICOs, become a problem, these things could go to zero tomorrow because nobody knows. It's like when I first started getting into Bitcoin back in, I didn't get in super early, but I think it's still early in 2011. People were like, you're crazy, because they said this thing was untested. It just came out in 09, and then here you are in 11. So, I tread very lightly into the Bitcoin space, but 8 years later, I'm happy that I did. I wish I held more instead of traded. That's the only thing I would say. Because I was there. First coin I think I purchased at about $48. I bought quite a few at $48. Yeah. I'm not that smart, because if I had to keep all those coins, I probably wouldn't be making this video. I'd be on an island someplace. But but because of my background of trading, I thought, $48, $80, I'm out of here. Oh, I just made 100 times my money. So it was just about trading it. It wasn't this long term, this thing is bigger than what I thought it was. I thought it was just a thing to make a couple of bucks, like how I see equities. You just make money, you go in, you get out. Today, I look at it differently. I look at it as the future of all finance. And for it to be the future of all finance, we need a healthy, vibrant, stable market. And, not just individuals looking at their own and pumping their own individual. I think you have a lot of that. You can go anywhere and find people that will pump individual projects, individual assets, individual tokens. That's not what I'm here for. I'm here to look at overall market, and if I see something that is threatening to the overall market, that's what I'll speak on. Or something that can benefit the overall market, I'll speak on. Every now and then I might speak on a particular asset. Like I said something about Ripple because Swift, and the only reason I mention that is because in our meetings, my own personal business meetings, we were having a discussion about, is Swift going to kill Ripple because they made their own blockchain situation? I don't think so, but you could watch that video and find out more. But that's what I'm here for. And I think if we can find solutions to that Ethereum problem, that's why I made another video about a solution, and if we can, really ring fence Ethereum and the ERC20 token, especially at the exchange level, because let's be honest, a lot of people hold their coins on exchanges. Yes, we can all, I know there are tons of people out there that are like, oh, you shouldn't hold, but that's where a lot of the activity, and even your price, so the people who don't hold on exchanges, your price is really dictated by those exchanges. So if the price goes crashing on Poloniex and GDAX and all of these other, well, even though you're not on that exchange, you now see your price dropping. So I think we have to get beyond ourselves and understand how things that are happening in one area of the market impacts us that are in another area of the market. And so you want to really look at the overall market and see how are things that happening in Dash going to have an impact on things that are happening in Bitcoin? How does things happening in Bitcoin help or hurt the overall market? How, that's the discussion that I would like to have, and that's the purpose of that's what I see my value is. So let me know what you think and have a great day.